Yes, my legs are extremely white. Probably a little dirty. But I really don't care. Because after I sit here and read my book for a little bit and watch my little fire, I'm going right over there. And then I'm going to look all the way up to those beautiful pine trees. And it just keeps going. Yep, but first, after just a little piddling around this morning, I don't even know what time it is. This is what I'm doing right now. Yep. And my beautiful coffee mug. And got my book. And it's actually really good so far. It jumped out at me at a thrift store in Austin. I mean, it literally just jumped off the shelf. I don't know why, but I'm into it so far. But for now, we'll just do this.